Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Tutorials. Today in this video we'll see how to group by the data and then concatenate strings with comma. So for example, I have two columns, country and place. So India is having different cities. I want to get output like India, and in place column I want to get output like Delhi, comma, Mumbai, comma, Goa, comma, Hyderabad, comma, Bangalore. Okay, let's see how to do it. Let's go to transform, then group by country, and the new column is let's say places. Okay, operation is let's say sum, and column is place. So when I am giving the aggregation sum for strings, okay, then it will give the error. So that is expected. So we cannot sum the strings. Okay, sum is for numbers, but we are giving the sum for strings, so we'll get the error. So that is expected. So once you get the error, then go to view, advanced editor. Then here we'll change this list dot sum. Okay, we are given the sum and we got the error for strings, so we'll remove this list dot sum. Okay, then we'll give test dot combine. Okay, so test dot combine place comma. Here I will give concatenate with comma. Okay, guys. So like this, when we change the list dot sum to test dot combine, all strings will be get concatenated with the comma. Let's see. Okay. So like this, we'll get the output. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Wait for more such videos on Power BI. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.